Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the Dyson Submarine vacuum cleaner and floor mop. Here we got the Submarine installed. I've got some water in the little tank. We're going to see how well it cleans this floor. Okay, let's turn it on. Again, it does not have suction. It's simply wetting the roller, and there's a scraper that's going to scrape everything off that the roller picks up into a little tray. And that tray we can empty out. Now this is super lightweight. So it does pick up some material, dirt and debris, and it is getting the floor wet. A little hard to see, but the floor is getting wet. It's pumping water from that chamber right there that you can put water in, and it's spraying it on the roller. This is just super lightweight. Okay, now when I'm done with that, I've got a regular vacuum cleaner. I can put the hardwood floor attachment on, and now when I pull the trigger, the vacuum cleaner part's going to kick on. I've got 3 modes of operation. I've got low, auto, and high. Right now it's in eco. Let's go to medium, which is auto detect. And I also have boost. Then if I want to clean carpet, I can put the carpet cleaner on. Okay, so I spilled some ketchup on the floor. Let's try to clean the ketchup up now. So you may want to run it for a minute just to get the the roller nice and wet. And now let's clean up the ketchup. Yeah, it's doing a pretty good job. I can get right up next to the wall. Okay, let's increase the mess. Now I've got some SpaghettiOs and some dry cereal. You know, it does a pretty good job with the dry material. All right, let's get on the SpaghettiOs. Yeah, it didn't quite get it all in the first pass. Gotta go a little slower. So the SpaghettiOs is where it starts to kind of struggle a little bit. But if I just keep going over it and getting dry material right next to the wall, okay, so it did an okay job of cleaning the floor. Okay, now let's do a close-up of cleaning it and how much is in here. Press the red button. This tray slides out. Now we can see there is quite a bit of dirt and material in that little tray, which we're going to clean out. Take the roller off. Now I can wipe this off. I can get water here. I don't want to get too much water around this area, but just right in that area right there. The roller is relatively clean, but I can rinse it off too. And now the next thing is going to be take this little tray off. It just sits in there and empty everything out. So it actually did a pretty good job. And again, there's how much water it used. Okay, now I've got the hardwood floor attachment. Let's just try it as a vacuum cleaner. Now the vacuum cleaner will kick on. I'm going to put it in medium. It rolls really easy. I can get right up next to the wall. Let's go to boost. I love the green light, shows me right where everything, all the dirt is. Okay, I got the carpet attachment on. Again, I'm gonna put it in auto. Let's try boost. Wow, that did a good job. Let's go to auto. Yeah, it did a great job on this carpet. And did we get any hair wrap on the, nope. Okay, so it has a really large chamber for holding a lot of dirt and debris. Here's everything it picked up. Again, take it to the trash can, and in one motion, everything's gonna come out. Again, make sure nothing's on there, and then you can close it. So I thought the Submarine did an okay job as a light duty mop on your floors. It's an excellent vacuum. So when you've got the hardwood floor attachment or the carpet or the hair tool, it's an excellent vacuum cleaner. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.
Miss Fiona is my helper today. She is tired.
Be sure and check me out over on Instagram. Look for my logos over there on Instagram. I would really would appreciate a follow over there. Here's what my Instagram page looks like. I've got several brand new Tennicos. Both of these Tennicos have flash dry technology. That's the S7 and that's the S6 stretch. I've also got the Dyson Submarine I'm getting ready to do a review on, and I'll compare this to Tennicos. Bissell also has a really brand new Bissell Little Green Max Pet. It's a corded spot cleaner. I'll be comparing it with their older one. Looks really cool. Here's the brand new Bissell Crosswave Omniforce. I have really been loving this one. I also do robot vacuum cleaner reviews and comparisons. I got the brand new Roborock Q-Revel Max V, Dream L10S, Narwhal. Here's the Dream X30. I also have the Dream X40. I'll be comparing the two. I've got Roombas, and I'll also be comparing these are kind of some of the older Tennicos, and they actually do really good still, but there's the S3 Breeze, which they sell a lot of. I'll be comparing them, the brand new Tennicos, with these older ones and coming up with a buying guide. And Shark just released two brand new Hydrovacs. These are the Messmaster Hydrovacs. One's corded, one's cordless. I've got comparisons on them, and I also compare them to the Tennicos. Here I got the Dream H12, really do love. The Kenmore. I've got the brand new Dyson 360 robot vacuum cleaner, Roborock vacuum cleaners. I have lots of videos and comparisons showing you which one is the best Roomba to buy. This is a refill one. It's pretty nice. That's a $99 one from Walmart. It has LiDAR navigation, and it does really good. Also tell you which Shark robot vacuum cleaner to buy. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page. This is where I do my free giveaways. I'll do them here and on Instagram. Again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. I love buying these products with my own money. That way I can give you an honest review. Would I spend this amount of money on whatever I buy? Because when you spend your own money on something, you're going to have higher expectations for it. And that way I can give you the honest review. So again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. And look who has showed up for her treat, Miss Fiona. Did you make that mess? She loves her treats. Yeah, this is a new vacuum Shark just released. It's the Shark self-emptying, clean and empty, cordless. Just bought it with my own money. I think it's brand new. They've got one similar to it, like the Detect Pro. But yeah, this one, it's got a self-emptying base, which I really love. So that is brand new. I'll be reviewing that really soon.